X, Y, Z. Okay. Here. Here we go to make Zoe. Z-O-E. Here I'm going to make a loop here this way, and I'm going to fold it to the back and tie it. Okay, then tie it here, tie it here, then here fold, then here we fold it back to the top. Okay, here, then we tie it here, then plier at this part to tight it. Okay, here. Okay, the O, then we're going to put the plier here, then let the wire go up, and we fold it to the back and tight it here, then fold it here. O, we finish the O, then we make the E. Never know that. Yeah. Z. Okay, Z. Thank you. Then E. E is we bend it to the up. Then we fold it here. Here. Then when I started to learn English since the 读初一 is 14, about 13 or 14 years old, and I learn English. I also didn't know it's pronounced Z, and we just X, Y, Z. Yeah, this is just like this. Here. Okay, so it's Zoe. That's we finish this one. And for the little z is right in this way, but in my when